Swiss engineering because precision and attention to details.
My brother and I, Ryan, we were traveling and we were visiting this company. We were going through their facility on a quick tour, and we were looking around, and out of the corner of our eye, walking by, we saw this piece of equipment. And we were with the CEO at the time. He said, "Hey, what is that over there?" And he said, "Oh, that's our Zünd." And he said, "Best piece of equipment that we have in this facility." So why is it one of the best pieces of equipment you have? He said, "Well, it's 20 years old. It runs all the time. If we ever have any issues with it, the manufacturer is on it." We did not look at any other digital cutters. Zünd was the only one we looked at. We were sold on it immediately.
What enables the precision from Zünd is there are so many different tools and blades within those tools to allow for precision. And we wanted to ensure that it was a nice, clean, precise cut on all material so it could be lifted very easily off the table. It's less strain on the operator and it's less mistakes.
The precision of the Zünd, how well it cuts through different types of materials. We've never had an issue with quality off the Zünd.
The Swiss engineering is that attention to detail is something that I haven't found any other place in the world. It may exist, but I just don't know. So for us, when we're cutting a piece of leather or a roll of fabric, that precision on that cut is critical for the way we upholster our product. We use something that is called the Italian sock method, which is like we sew the cover of a sofa or a chair like a tailor jacket. So if that tailor jacket is not to spec, it will never fit on the frame. Without that precision, the sewing is not right, the upholstery is not right, and then we don't have the right product. What Zünd has helped us is being able to continue to evolve in our manufacturing process and continue to better up our process.